If you're paying for Kajabi just for your courses, this video might save you money. I'll show you how to do it all in GoHighLevel. Course funnel automations, everything. All the links you will need are in the description below. I've sold over $200,000 with my own products and have helped launch others with live webinar launches. I had a photographer who made $5K in his first night during launch. I have another client who made $23,000 in her 7-day cart for the first launch. It was their first time online. So I'm opening here my high-level demo account, and we will go to memberships. Inside memberships, click on courses, and you can click on products and create a new product. If you're coming from Kajabi, you can import a course from Kajabi to HighLevel. And if you use our affiliate link, then my team can help build your first course. We can help you import your course from Kajabi if you use our link on screen. I create new, start from scratch, and it's asking what's the title and what's the description. So let's add a title, healthy baking, a description here, upload a thumbnail. It's asking me what's the payment plan you will have. So it could be free, recurring if it's a membership, or a one-time payment. Since I haven't connected any payment processors, it's not allowing me to assign a price here. Click on create course and show you where you would actually connect your payment processor. Here where it says payments, I'll open this in a new tab, go to integrations, and you can see that you can connect Stripe, PayPal, Authorized Net, Square, or there's a lot of other options that you just have to go down and start checking. But the most popular are Stripe and PayPal. Back to our course, now it builds a welcome badge that we can see here if we preview it, and you can completely customize the look and feel of this badge. And then we have the course contents. Let's change the title here for our first module and a description, add a thumbnail, click save. And the first lesson, let's edit the first lesson. And we can add a video from our media storage, from a specific link, or even embed, for example, a YouTube link if you want. We can add a thumbnail, and we can also add downloadable resources. Let's click on save and publish. HighLevel includes live sessions. So you just have to add the name, a description, who's the host, a thumbnail image, then choose the date, and they'll see the option to go to the live room. Let's preview the look and feel, and you can also customize the full look and feel here. This is just an example of how it might look if you add all your content. You have to go ahead inside, customize, and start customizing. You can see there are different templates. Click on customize so you can see how you can personalize every single product, color, fonts, everything in here. Inside settings, you can add instructor details, you can add the customization for logo, and then the learning experience. If you want to automatically play next lesson, autocomplete lessons, you can choose that here. I love this tool for any business that you want to automate. Services, info products, communities, memberships, AI bots, everything that you need. If you want to go straight to HighLevel, go to a link below in the description for a 30-day free trial and exclusive bonuses. If you take a full annual plan, my team will build for you a 10-lesson course and your sales funnel as well. We always offer one onboarding session for you that's technical to make sure you start connecting everything, and then exclusive snapshots and some recorded tutorials for you. If you want to migrate from Kajabi, it's super simple as well. And if you're my affiliate, my team will help you do it. So just reach out to us. How do we work the checkout inside HighLevel? We would go to offers for that product. You can see it's already built here, and you have a title, a description. If you want to bundle, you can add some code here. You can begin access at a specific date, restrict access to a specific amount of days, add your product thumbnail. For the upsells, you would click here on upsell and add your upsell right there. Let's go back and click on edit checkout if you want. But I won't do this because I don't use these native checkouts for courses. In HighLevel, even if you have built an offer, it's very important to have connected your payment processor. But after you build this membership offer, you will go to payments, you will go inside products, and it's very important that you create the products here. It should auto-create it because you created a membership offer with the pricing. Since in this demo accounts, I have not connected a payment processor, it didn't automatically pre-build it. And we will create the products. And let's add our products media. And now the one-time payment of $47, and it's a membership offer. Choose my membership offer, healthy baking. I can add some SEO information and go back. There we have it. Why do we prefer this? Because we're going to build a full sales funnel and we need to have a product built to actually sell this. We went to offers, we added a title, a description, a price, restrict access, etc. Now we want to build our full sales funnel. Remember, there's no way to link that checkout inside offers to your funnel if you don't go to payments. Always create your offer first inside membership offers, then check payments. If that product is already pre-built, go ahead. And if you want to sign up to high level, remember my team will help you build your full course and funnel. If you're not wanting to build a course right now, then you'll have the same onboarding call and we will help you build your SaaS. In under 10 months, I've already surpassed 100K with my own agency built on HighLevel. And I had never used HighLevel before July 2025. So imagine how I can help you in only 10 months. That's what I've built. You can use AI to build everything for you. There's two ways to do this. One, you can go directly to the AI Studio and you can cancel Lovable. I used to pay $100 per Lovable, but now it's completely free because the AI Studio is the same thing as Lovable inside HighLevel. However, it's not completely integrated with everything inside HighLevel. So I prefer to go to Sites, Funnels, and click on Build with AI. And you're only going to click on this left panel on Build, upload the screenshot of your sales page. It could be that you like the website of someone else and you want to get inspired. You just click on Build based on screenshots and click Send. It will take its time, but it will build the full funnel for you. Just allow it to generate. You have a 30-day free live bootcamp and the CRM. If you pay annually, we will also build something for you. It could even be an AI bot if you want. Just make sure you use our link. If you don't go annually, we will offer you some bonuses, snapshots, and onboarding. You know how it feels to sign up to HighLevel on the first day. You don't understand anything if someone doesn't actually onboard you. They also offer live calls to support, so that's great to know. Our AI finished building. Look at this. Uploading a sales page here that you can build in the AI Studio if you want. It did everything for me. You could change your content. And now we just have to make sure that we actually have everyone going to our checkouts page. I'm going to go back. We need a thank you page. So I'm going to click here and add a new step. And I'll put a thank you page, create the funnel step. And I also want AI to build this for me. I'll just leave their AI running inside this thank you page. So let's click on the AI button, click on build, upload my thank you page, but I already have the design. Click on build based on screenshot attached, send. And now I want to show you. Let's go back to our sales page. How does the checkout work on HighLevel? You have different elements that you can add on any landing page. For someone to pay you, you need the two-step order or the one-step order. Why do I prefer the two-step order? Because people will give you their email first and you can send them an abandonment email if they didn't purchase. And now we have to click on our buttons to send people to our checkout. How does this work? You have to create a pop-up. Let's go up here and click on pop-up, create a new pop-up, and add an element that is a two-step order. On this two-step order, you will have to customize everything that you see here. For example, we don't need shipping. Go down to shipping and hide the shipping. If you want to change all the copy, you can do, for example, instead of shipping, add your info. You don't need the company name. You can change the button color if you want. It could be green. Then go to step 2 It could be complete your purchase, immediate access, whatever you want to say here. Back to edit your details. And then you can customize anything else that you want to say here. If I just add this checkout, nothing happens. I actually need to assign the products that we built previously. I have to go back on my sales page. Let's say, how do I assign a product to that checkout? I have to click on products here inside my funnel, add product, and find the one I'm working on. Add the pricing, click save, and now my two-step order form will dynamically add this product to the checkout. If I don't do this, if you're doing a checkout inside HighLevel and you're like, my checkout is empty on preview, it's because you have to go inside your funnel, click on products, and actually add it. You can see that it did whatever it wanted on the name of this funnel, so you can change it, healthy bakery, for example, and click save. And the same thing you can actually do with each one of your landing pages. Since we used AI, it did whatever it wanted. So I click here publishing and I can change healthy bakery sales page and just customize your URL. Update step. Now we will have our sales page that goes to our thank you page. How do we make sure this happens? Let's go click edit, go to our pop-up, and make sure that our two-step order form says sales action, go to the next step. It's very important that it says go to the next step here. And now we did that pop-up, but we never assigned the call to actions to the pop-up. So click here. And in this case, instead of going to the pop-up, I'm going to click on go to a section, scroll to an element instead of section, and I'm going to send people down here. Scroll to the element where we have our pricing. There we go, pricing. And this button on my pricing then will have open a pop-up, and the pop-up will be the one we just did. Here I click, I want to start now. It scrolls down to the elements, start my course today, and it opens the pop-up. Awesome. That's how we built our sales funnel on HighLevel. The reason why we used a two-step order form as an element was to send email sequences based on an abandonment on that pop-up checkout. Since they didn't pay, it's an opt-in instead of a sale. So let's go back. We will go directly to automation. I have to create a workflow. I can create a workflow here, and I can use a template if you want, and there are many templates that you can use. For example, send replies to inbound WhatsApp. If you have appointments, then the full confirmation, sequence, list reactivation, birthday templates, the Instagram comment ones, and this one that says Facebook Messenger completely replace ManyChat. Webinar registration templates, they're already pre-built for you. Look at the Instagram one. If someone comments on your post, then reply to the comment, then send them a DM and have even call to actions inside that DM. So it's very interesting. You can build using AI if you want, or you can just create from scratch. Why did I make a two-step order form? Create a workflow, start from scratch. The person gives me their name and their email first. If they don't buy, I can re-email them. How will I do this? Add a new trigger, order form submission. The filter would be in the funnel of the bakery, and the submission type is only opt-in. If someone opted in my two-step order form, but they didn't purchase, then I can send an email. Send an email, and you can use AI to write this email for you. Write with AI and in a friendly tone. If someone opts in to my bakery course but doesn't purchase, this will be the abandonment email. Generate email. Here, hide contact phone name. I don't want the contact phone name. I'll get a new custom value for the contact first name. And you can see it wrote, we noticed that you recently opted into our bakery course but didn't complete your purchase, blah, 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 blah. So we click on use email. I want to track clicks. If I'm sending people to my sales page, for example, save action. There's more you can do. You can send an SMS, you can send a WhatsApp, whatever you want. You already have their phone number if they opted in. Let's call this healthy bakery non-purchase opt-in. This won't work until you click publish. Let's go back and create another very simple workflow where we can have two options. One could be the order form submission The submission type is sale on my funnel for healthy bakery, or I can also say a payment was received on which product? The healthy bakery. But the payment status is successful, not failed. If people paid, then we want to one, send an email, and this email could be a post purchase, right? With AI, create a post purchase email for this course in a friendly tone or a casual tone. Generate email. Let's see how that goes. There we go. Change the phone name to the first name. Read it, make sure it works for you. Save that action, and you can also send an SMS or send a WhatsApp if you want, but you need to grant the course offer. Healthy Baking is my offer, so they actually gain access to this. It's very important that you include your grant access offer. If you want to send an SMS, then click on send an SMS. If you want to send a WhatsApp, for example, you can use a WhatsApp API, and you have to create a template so that this works for you. Post purchase, healthy bakery. Imagine you want an email sequence here, so you want to follow up with your students in the long run, right? We can go here, copy this action, paste it, and change this email so it's a 30-day sequence, for example. How's your baking going? We can write with AI, generate an email based on it's been 30 days. However, very important, we need a weight so that it doesn't go on the same date they're purchased. You have different weights on GoHighLevel based on a contact replying to an SMS, to an email for a set period of time. That's what we will use on a specific date, until a recurring window opens, until a scheduled date or time, until a contact takes action, or until a specific condition is met. We will use for a set period of time, and that would be 30 days. Save that action. When someone purchases, they will be enrolled, and you can see the enrollment history on everyone here. But here you will see that they stay on the wait until 30 days have passed. It's so interesting. I love GoHighLevel and how they actually automate everything. You can do anything with GoHighLevel. Automate, send SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok. And you won't let AI do everything for you, but it helps. Just make sure it actually matches your brand. I want to show you, if you go to AI agents and conversation AI or voice AI, you can actually create a bot. There's 3 different options. The guided form setup, this is more for people usually fill a form, then go step by step and fill a form with them. Prompt-based bot is based on a prompt. Something will happen and you can add some actions. Or the flow-based builder, when you want a very specific objective or steps that this bot has to complete with them. You can also make voice AI agents inside GoHighLevel. If people call your number, for example, or if you want to outbound call them, you can actually do that as well. We've done a lot today. With this tutorial itself, folks, you guys can launch. You just need to take real action. The links below in the description. Remember, if you take the annual pricing plan with our affiliate link, you're supporting our business and we will support yours with a setup. Please send me your email receipts, comments below, and then we will let you know how we can help. You bring your expertise, you bring in your copy and information. We build the tech frustration side for you. I sign up for GoHighLevel. What's my next step? We will include the onboarding call because we know there's a lot to connect and integrate for it to start working completely for you. GoHighLevel starts at $97 per month. You can also use our white label Solucin. It's the same price. Or if you are feeling like you want to have more than one account because you have more than one business or want to sell to someone else a sub account, then choose the $297 plan. Solucin app, my personal CRM and agency, is also $97. If you want more than one account, go to a new $97. If you already feel like you want to go to agency mode, then you can upgrade after, or let me know and I'll share the link to upgrade to agency. If you had an idea for months, for years, this is the moment to launch. And this is the only video you will need. If you want to try Go High Level free for 30 days, the link is in the description below, solucing.com/GHL. When you sign up through my link, you get an onboarding call with my team so you don't start alone, exclusive snapshots, and recorded tutorials to get you set up fast. Reply to the welcome email and we'll start from there. If this video was useful, subscribe. There's a lot more like this coming. See you on the next one.